Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Docker to streamline UI build pipelines, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing with Docker, first, ensure you have Docker installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Check if Docker is running by entering the command docker info. If Docker is running, proceed to the next step. Next, you will need to log in to your Docker account. Use the command docker login followed by your Docker Hub credentials. When prompted, enter your username and password. If the login is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Now that you're logged in, you can pull images from Docker Hub. Use the command docker pull image name to download the required image. Replace image name with the specific image you need for your UI build pipeline. Once the image is pulled, you can set up your Docker file. Create a new file named Docker file in your project directory. In the Docker file, specify the base image using the from keyword. Next, install any necessary dependencies required for your UI build. Use the run command to execute installation commands within your Docker file. After setting up the dependencies, copy your project files to the Docker image. Use the command copy /app to copy files to the desired path in the container. Specify the working directory in the Docker file with the workdir command. After configuration, you will need to build your Docker image. Run the command docker build t image tag to create the image. Make sure to replace image tag with a suitable tag for your image. Once the build is complete, test the image by running it. Use the command docker run image tag to execute the container based on your built image. You can also add environment variables or additional configurations in your docker run command. If everything runs smoothly, your UI build pipeline is now streamlined with Docker. To further automate your pipeline, consider integrating Docker commands into your CI/CD tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.